Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to unblock someone on LinkedIn using your PC. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply made a mistake, unblocking someone on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that can help you reconnect with important contacts. First, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options at the top of the screen. Click on the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a tab labeled Visibility. Click on this to access settings related to how your profile and content are viewed by others. Now scroll down until you see the Blocking section. This is where you can manage the list of people you've blocked on LinkedIn. Click on Blocking to view the list of blocked accounts. Here you'll see all the profiles you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and click on the Unblock button next to their name. You'll then be prompted to enter your LinkedIn password to confirm the action. This is a security measure to ensure that you're making this change intentionally. Once you've entered your password, click on Unblock Member. This will remove the person from your blocked list, allowing them to see your content and message you again. Keep in mind that after unblocking someone, you won't be able to block them again for 48 hours. This is a feature designed to prevent accidental or repetitive blocking. Unblocking someone on LinkedIn doesn't automatically reconnect you as first-degree connections. If you want to re-establish a connection, you'll need to send them a new invitation. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily unblock someone on LinkedIn using your PC. Whether it's for professional reasons or personal ones, reconnecting with others on the platform can be beneficial for your career and networking opportunities. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.